Hi, my name is James Moses. In today's nugget, I'll be showing you how to set up WordPress on AWS Management Console from Amazon. I've already logged on into my Amazon service, and to set up, navigate to Services, then navigate to Compute, then EC2 option. So this is where you choose what particular distro you like to deploy on your server setup. In this case, I'll select Launch Instance. And here you have quick start on quite a number of instances that you can launch. You can launch Amazon Linux, you can do Red Hat, you can do Ubuntu Server, you can do Windows Server 2019 base. Our interest is WordPress. So I'll select AWS Marketplace, and then up here I'll type WordPress and search. We have quite a number of distros from WordPress from different companies that develop the same. I'll hope to choose WordPress certified by Bitnami Automatic. Then I'll select on the option. Next, of course, I'll be giving full information about the WordPress installation that I'm about to give, and a few costings depending on how you like to deploy your distro. Click on continue. Here, depending on the package that you're using, you can deploy by giving the WordPress installation resources. For example, I can select the type, I can give it a particular CPU, memory limitations, among many others. And you can see I can give it up to 32, we have 400, depending on what you really require for your application. So for this demo, I'll just select general purpose, which is a free tier element. I'll then click on review and launch. So once it has reviewed everything, looks okay. So time to launch. Remember, at any given time you're setting up your WordPress, you must set up a password. In this case, we call them a pair key. Since I don't have any that I have already set up, so I'll just select and then click on new. However, if you have one key, pair key that already exists, you can click on choose an existing one, and I can see I already have one. So for this demo, I'll just create a new key, and I'll call it WordPress D for WordPress demo. Always remember to download your key pair or your pair key, because sometimes if you're loading in through SSH, you'll be required to give a key, and this will be very beneficial. So you can actually move to the next level without downloading first the key pair. Once I download, my launch instance becomes active. So launch. And there we go, already launched the instance. So you can see a little bit of information about what I've just launched in the status, and I'll click on view instance. So this is the instance that we have already created down here, the 1B instance, which is currently loading. So as it's finishing up the initialization, I'd like you to notice the tabs under here. These tabs allows you to see quite a number of items. For instance, I can note my public DNS, which in this case can be changed to any other different item, and I can use it to access my server, my WordPress server. I can also use a public IP address. Remember, it is usually very dynamic and it can change as time goes by. And also have my private IP for the machine in my local network. So I'll pick the public IP address, and I'll open a new tab. I'll simply paste it there. There we go. WordPress has already installed on my AWS Amazon cloud server. So if you'd like to log in into your backend, it's your IP address wp-admin. Open that. So to get your username and password for your WordPress installation, I'll navigate back to my console and I'll select the distribution we just launched on the instance. I'll right click instance setting and I'll select get system log. Alternatively, I can click on the same, navigate to actions, instance setting, and get system log. On the system log, I'd like you to scroll to the very bottom of the system log. Just close to the bottom, you'll get search, and here you'll get Bitnami password and the user. So the user is user while the password is that password. So I'll copy that password, keep it safe. You can save it somewhere on your desktop, and the username is user. So navigate here and I'll type user, then I'll enter the password I just copied from my distro, and there we go. You have successfully set up WordPress on your AWS Amazon cloud service. Thanks again. See you next time.